Okay, so I was looking around for a lockpick tool roll to hold my kit, but I couldn't really find anything that I really wanted, both in the layout of how I wanted my gear to be presented to me and organized, but then also in the construction. So I went ahead and mocked up my own prototype, my own tool roll, just as with a sewing machine and some duck canvas. Doesn't look pretty, but it works. So a couple of the features that I wanted in the kit was I didn't want something that was going to roll out super long. So I wanted it kind of square in shape. So I had all the tools right in front of me, so I could pick what I needed. And then second, I didn't want something with Velcro. The tactical community is Velcro crazy. They put Velcro on everything, and I wanted something a little bit more quiet. So I used magnets instead of Velcro for a closure, and it seems to work out great. And I actually probably could go away without the magnets. One of the original intentions was to be able to hang the roll with the magnets, and I certainly could do that. I just need a little bit stronger magnets. So you design it, try it out, fix it, and if you can make it, you can fix it. So yeah, so basically the kit that I have is based off of the Sparrow's OED kit, and it serves me well for what I'm doing. I'm not a master lockpicker. The nice thing about the Sparrow's OED kit is it focuses on giving you a lot of raking tools, so it's not a lot of single pin picking. So the idea is it's not a high skill set kit, or kit designed for somebody with a high skill set, but it gives you all of great tools for lots of different types of locks. So we have an array of rakes. We've got one single pick, diamond pick, and then there's a whole kit for wafer locks, a selection of wrenches, and then we have a mini knife. So with that, you can get into quite a bit of stuff, and that's covers your bases quite well. In addition to that, then I added some shims. These shims I believe I picked up from Stately Asset Protection. Certainly a greater upgrade. You get 3 different quality or 3 different thicknesses. So what I was using in the past was a hotel key card, which is good for your thickest. For your middle, a milk jug works well. And then for the thinnest, pop bottle works quite well. So those are your kind of basic thin, but these are a little bit more rugged construction and a little bit more easier to work with. So the other thing I have here that I use to play around with is this great little tool. It's called the OSS tool. And also, again, it's a lot of fun. I kind of use this as my practice tool for practicing different things. I don't carry this with me very much, but it's a lot of fun. And then also from Stately that was a decoder, and these are really great high quality decoder, very small. I got it in a 2-pack, so I keep one in there. The second thing then would be, or the last thing pretty much, is this traveler hook, which I just took an eraser, put on the hook, and if you didn't have something like this, you could use, a screwdriver. It works in many cases. But these work pretty quick, pretty fast and efficient. And then lastly, I've been messing around with bypassing simple magnet-based alarms. And so this kind of gives you the ability to see, A, if there's a magnet alarm on a door or window, and B, what the polarity is, so you can slip a little magnet in there. And I don't have the magnets in the kit right now, but they're on my lockpick set. So yeah, so that's the kit, that's the roll, and I'll have more videos, kind of DIY arts and crafts that you can do at home for fun stuff, shortly.